Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lode Runner. To begin, your primary goal is to collect all the gold in each level. You control a small runner who can move left and right across the screen. Use ladders to climb up and down and walk along ropes to cross open spaces. Be careful when falling. Dropping too far can be fatal, so always plan your descents carefully. Your main objective in Lode Runner is to gather every single gold piece on the screen. As you do this, you must constantly evade the enemy guards. These guards will pursue you relentlessly and can even pick up gold themselves, which you'll then need to retrieve from them. Direct contact with a guard means losing one of your precious lives, so stay agile and keep your distance. A unique ability of your runner is digging holes. You can dig a hole to your immediate left or right, creating a temporary pit. This is crucial for trapping guards. When they fall in, they are momentarily stuck. Remember, these holes will automatically refill after about 10 seconds, so timing is key. You can safely walk over a trapped guard to pass them. To master Lode Runner, always think a few steps ahead. Strategically plan your path to collect all the gold while minimizing encounters with guards. Use your digging ability not just for trapping, but also to create new pathways or escape tight situations. Once every gold piece is collected, a ladder will appear, allowing you to climb to the top of the screen and exit the level, moving on to the next challenge.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.